Now, this sounds like a contradiction. A heat pump that cools your home. Just doesn't sound right, does it? Like jumbo shrimp or an authentic replica. I mean, what's that? Anyway, a heat pump is a very energy efficient way to keep your home cool or warm depending on the season. A hybrid heat pump system, it looks like a central air conditioning unit. And it is, but did you ever notice that your normal air conditioner blew hot air outside when it was cooling your home inside? Same thing here. That's why a heat pump has a reverse feature, and that's why they're so efficient. Think of this as a green solution for your home, one that could save the average size home a few $100s a year in energy bills. The hybrid heat pump functions most efficiently when the temperature is above 20 degrees, so you can use it comfortably and efficiently during any of those days. But when the temperature gets lower than that, the gas furnace is actually a more efficient system to use. So on a day when the weather is not too cold, the hybrid heat pump will keep the chill out of the air. And when it's colder, the gas furnace keeps me warm. But you don't have to do a thing. The system does the work. It's the best of both worlds, really, and the good news is you're comfortable with each one. So instead of paying for way more energy than you need, the hybrid heat pump chooses the least expensive way to keep you the most comfortable all year long. We can tell you more about these amazing little systems in a completely free, no obligation energy analysis of your home. Just call or send an email. We're always here to serve you. So unlike phrases such as non-dairy creamer or federal budget, a heat pump really can heat and cool your home to help make you and your family more comfortable and save money too. We're happy to let you know more.